Welcome back to Diabetes Every Day. Don't forget to click the red subscribe button. My channel is absolutely free. Today I'm going to share a favorite summertime recipe along with a couple interesting facts about the main star ingredient. In today's recipe, Tuna Nicoise, I'll be using albacore tuna, which is typically referred to as white tuna. By FDA law, albacore is the only species that can be called white tuna. Light tuna that you may see in the store is from skipjack fish usually. It has a slightly darker appearance and can have a bit of a stronger flavor than albacore tuna. The key nutrition benefits from using tuna in your meal plan are that it's a good source of protein, it has omega-3 fatty acids for heart health, as well as being a source of vitamin D. Okay, let's get cooking. Here are the ingredients. 1 16-ounce white potato or 16 ounces red skin potatoes, boiled and sliced thin. 1/4 pound fresh green beans, trimmed and steamed. 4 cups romaine lettuce, shredded. 1 6.5-ounce can tuna packed in water, drained and flaked. 2 tomatoes cut into wedges, 2 hard-cooked eggs cut into wedges, 6 tablespoons balsamic vinegar, and 3 tablespoons olive oil. All we do is arrange the lettuce on a large platter. Top with the potato slices and green beans. Add tuna, tomato, and egg wedges, and drizzle with dressing mixture of vinegar and oil. I love this recipe because it's quick to prepare and I'll have more time to enjoy the summer weather outdoors. Plus, this recipe is loaded with vegetables and 2 sources of protein. This recipe is for 4 servings and each serving is 311 calories, 16 grams of protein, 29 grams of carbohydrate, and 180 milligrams sodium. You can find this recipe and all kinds of information about eating healthy in my book, Diabetes Meal Planning and Nutrition for Dummies. Here's to your health.